English listening daily. English conversation practice. Lesson 13. Preparing for an exam. Worried about the exam. Hello, how are you?
I am fine, what about you?
I am not so good. I am worried about my exam.
It is very common. You are serious about it, so you are worried.
I am really afraid as I have no good preparation for English.
I think your English learning method is not so good. You should learn some basic rules of English if you want to do well in English.
You are right. Besides, I should improve my writing skill to do well in English.
It is okay. You will do better if you'll read English regularly.
Thank you for your encouragement. To speak the truth, I am afraid as I couldn't secure more than 50% mark in English in the last examination.
No matter. You are a good student. I hope you will be able to make up for the loss.
Now tell me about your preparation.
I paid equal attention to all the subjects. So, I am not worried about any particular subject.
Very well. You are always studious. You do not waste your time. You've also made a good preparation.
Do not mention it. But it is true that I read regularly and emphasize on all subjects equally.
Getting help from a teacher.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, ma'am. I am good. What about you?
I am fine too. So how's your study going?
Yeah, fine. It's going great.
Are you ready for the examination?
Actually, I am not fully ready yet. But mostly I am ready. There is 1 month more in my hand, so I think I can manage.
How many subjects are you reviewing on right now?
Just 2, physics and math. Other subjects are almost complete. You know I am a bit weak in math, so I am having some trouble with it. I need to solve some hard calculations myself.
I've told you many times, if you need any assistance in math, let me know.
But, you were so busy, ma'am, and that's why I thought to not disturb you.
No, I am free now. You must make a list of the math topics you find hard to solve. Bring it by tomorrow. I will explain all these during the school break time.
That will be amazing for me. I will be able to complete my review faster. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Take care.
Focusing more on studying.
Hey, what's going on?
Good, teacher. What about you?
I'm good. So are you ready for the annual exam? You are looking so nervous. Is there any problem?
Sir, actually, I am a bit afraid about the upcoming annual exam. I think I won't be able to prepare myself before the exam.
Why? What happened to you?
I am too weak in English and I have missed so many English classes due to sickness. Now I think I will fail in this particular subject. I am so upset about that.
Don't lose hope. There is still lots of time. If you want, you can still prepare yourself properly.
But how, sir? I think I can't do it.
You can. You need to believe in yourself. I can assist you in this matter. Do you have the book with you?
Yes, sir.
Show me which part you find the hardest.
Sir, I am too weak in grammar and I need to learn from the very beginning.
That seems so hard. Can you come over to my house after school for a couple of weeks?
Yes, sir, I can.
I am pretty sure I will be able to help you about grammar within 2 weeks.
That will be amazing. Now I am getting hope and I think I can do it, sir. I was looking for some help like this.
Don't worry. Focus on your studies and spend more time with books. Stop wasting time. You can play games after the exam.
Yes, sir. I will follow that.
Okay. Take care.
Studying for an English exam.
Hey buddy, I am feeling very nervous about the coming exams. Could you please guide me how I should prepare for them?
It is a natural response. You should not worry about it. Just stay relaxed. But keep repeating and practicing. Repeated look at the notes will make you feel more confident. Which is your first exam?
English. Should I read the textbooks again?
No, just keep them close for reference. Just solve sample papers and practice questions according to the sample paper issued.
I need to practice by writing? Or mere reading is sufficient?
Writing, of course. Besides, studying by writing also prepares you for the final exam as it is all written. Students who don't prepare by writing face lots of difficulties during the final exams.
Thanks a lot for your guidance. I am feeling better now.
Having a review buddy.
Good morning.
Good morning to you too.
The exam is fast approaching, we only have until next week. How much have you covered?
Well, I have covered most of the topics in mathematics and the sciences. I am quite comfortable in them. I still have to review on languages to be fully prepared.
How lucky you are. I have been struggling to finish most of the subjects without much success. You know I have been in and out of hospital, right?
Yes, however, I know God will help you pass the exams. Remember, God has always helped you top the class. You can still do it, I believe in you.
Thank you, that's the assurance I needed. God will help me for sure. How about we start daily review together? We can definitely benefit from each other. You are equally good.
Great, let's start right away then. We can start with chemistry today.
My thoughts exactly.
Looking sad before the exams.
Hello, friend. How do you do?
I am fine, thank you. Why are you looking so sad?
Actually, I am worried about my final examination. What about your preparation for the examination?
Well, I'm doing good with my studies. I am also worried about my exam.
Tell me about your preparation in different subjects.
I want to focus on English. I'm having a detailed review of the other subjects.
Are you taking help from any special books?
Yes, but I study textbooks.
I see. I must start working with the textbooks. What do you think?
Yes, I think it'll be very helpful not only for English but also for other subjects.
Thank you for your supportive suggestion. I wish you good luck.
Finding hope from a friend.
Why are you so tense? What happened?
Actually, I got my first semester results, and I failed in 3 subjects.
Don't cry, you will do better than this, and I know you.
No, I will not. I know it.
What if I help you for your exams? Is that okay?
Yeah, that will be better.
First, tell me about your preparation for the exams.
I have completed my syllabus for 4 subjects and 2 remaining.
You have to finish the 2 as soon as possible. Don't worry. We will prepare from today. We'll meet at 5 p.m.
Thank you so much for helping me.
Exchanging notes with a mate.
Hello, how do you do?
I am fine, thank you.
Actually, I am worried about my exams.
Don't take so much stress. You could ask me anytime whenever you need me.
I am really scared to fail.
Oh, sorry to know. I have seen, your English learning method is not very good.
Yeah, I think so. Can you help me a bit about this?
Why not? I will help you. I am also struggling with mathematics. I hope you will help me solve some problems.
Yes, of course. I have a personal notebook that has everything about that subject. That might help you.
Oh, thanks. I have an English notebook too that I have made. I will give it to you for a week. You can note every important thing from that.
Oh, really? I am glad to know. Actually, I was looking for a good notebook in English. Now I am getting some hope that I will make a better result in English.
Of course, you will.
Thanks. I have to go now. See you.
Studying model tests.
Hello, how are you?
Fine. Thanks, and you?
I'm fine too. What about your preparation for the coming exam?
I'm worried about my exam. What about you?
I reviewed all the subjects that have been completed.
What about your model tests of all subjects?
Yes, I studied them all.
Are you working with the test papers?
Yes.
Very good. I must also start working on the test papers. What do you think?
Yes, I think it'll be helpful for your preparation. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for practicing with us. Join us for another English conversation practice. Please check out our other videos.